on this Pacific Island food revolution.
It's time to rock and roll, huh?
Let's go.
The two remaining Fijian teams, aunt and nephew, Rachel and Timor,
We're family, we'll always try and work together.
cook head-to-head against Shamim and Manasa, the Fijian foodies.
The judges should be blown away.
Not blow these judges' mind.
Cooking at the Grand Pacific Hotel.
Make one super killer salsa there. Should have that flavor in it.
Let's try better.
Need to put the boo in a pot for you?
Cooking the fish, I really need that salt and sweetness combining together.
And ultimately for a place in the finals.
You just blew my mind.
We have to prove our worth.
Just get a taste of this, aunt.
I feel half a step closer to my dream.
Which team will be representing Fiji after this Pacific Island food revolution?
They've nailed it.
In the first Fijian heat, 3 teams entered the competition with the dream of representing Fiji in the finals.
This is our mission, right? Try new things.
And have fun.
Yeah, have fun.
All right, buddy.
The Fijian foodies, Shamim and Manasa, showed just how seriously they're taking the competition
Get that fish flavor in it, huh? So imagine it going with a roll. Nice.
and secured their place in the second round.
Congratulations. One another, boys.
I'm stunned. They know how to react.
For the remaining 2 teams, it was too close to call.
It's a tie.
I did not expect this.
So they then faced a surprise challenge.
The team who delivers the best will be through with Shamima Manasa.
The 2 teams gave everything they had
Can you add more spinach? Because we need the green color.
and did their best for the people of Fiji.
Start blending that. We have something totally different from the fruity taste that normally smoothie has. Yes.
Unfortunately, father and daughter, Rakesh and Pratisha, were eliminated by the closest of margins.
Thank you once again.
Nakasa, so much. It's just been awesome having you here.
Very proud of what we have achieved here. Unfortunately, it was not our day.
The competition has been hard up to this point, and today things will only get tougher in Fiji.
I'm Shamim.
I'm Manasa.
We are the Fijian foodies.
We both work as professional chefs.
We need to work hard for this, huh?
Yeah.
Became good friends there because we shared the similar ideas. Joked around a lot. Became good buddies. Service.
The thing I love about being a chef is I get to play around with foods.
Hola.
When we try these ideas, our blackboard is the carbo bowl. Sit down, and then I'll share my ideas.
No bula. Experiment a lot of new things and try new things in the kitchen, bring up new ideas. It's the only way. You have to be risk takers to see the end result. Huh?
But the main thing is I want to get that smoky flavor.
Yes,
That's why we get really interesting ideas.
Family for both of us is the main priority between our goal. Huh? It's what we all work for, and what we want to achieve is all for our family. When we're not at work, we still enjoy cooking together because it's much more fun. Huh? Still love to cook together at home. Huh?
Especially cooking for the family, eh? They're very lucky.
Our cooking style is we bring in the old version of cooking and the traditional way and then try and give it a modern twist.
Oh, our cooking is a mix of Indo-Fijian, eh?
I mean, that's what it's all about, huh?
Yeah.
Fijian culture and Fijian people, we just love food. Our big dream is to own a restaurant together, Fijian cuisine, and showcasing it to the world what Fijian food is all about. I think this is ready for the family.
Let's go. Let's serve it to the family.
Food is a way of keeping people happy and bringing the whole family together. I like cooking for people and making them happy. If we could represent Fiji, it would mean a lot to us. We'd be representing Fiji in a bigger stage in the Pacific. We're here to learn. We're here to show everyone new ideas.
We are ready for this challenge.
Fijian foodies have got this all the way.
100%.
Teams, today is the day we find out which one of you is going with Dr. John to represent Fiji in the finals of Pacific Island Food Revolution.
I think we have to give everything.
We have to give everything and we have to prove our worth. We're eager to represent Fiji and we'll give all our best today.
In this funnel.
I'm so proud of what you've achieved so far. You showed great teamwork and the true Fijian spirit.
It was sad to see Rakesh and Pratisha go, our wonderful father and daughter team. But I know they're excited for you both and they wish you all the best of luck.
So now, we're going to find our winners. The ones who are going to cook off against Tonga, Samoa, and Vanuatu. So, Vavavaviti, Rawa Sasana. Rawa!
We learned a lot from the first challenge. This is our last chance.
We want to be the #1 Team Fiji, and we will do all our best.
Now imagine this. You lead a busy life, you've barely got time to cook, but you want to eat well and you want your family to eat well. Convenience foods are designed for people on the run. They tend to offer very little in the way of nutrition.
And one of the things that gets lost with a busy life is cooking at home together. That togetherness that comes with eating around the same table.
And yet it is possible to make good food quickly. That's what we're after today. Today, you're tasked with an everyday challenge, getting dinner on the table in just 45 minutes. We're not just after any old meal, it must be balanced. And by balanced, think of this, quarter, half. Quarter of a plate is protein, that's your fish, your meat. Quarter of a plate carbohydrate, that's your taro, your breadfruit. And 50% of the plate is your vegetables. We're moving vegetables back to the front of the plate.
We are simply going back to the balance and the brilliance of our forefathers. You served us amazing green dishes in the last challenge, so we know you're already good at it.
Healthy food can be fast.
Fast food, yes.
We've been cooking like this at home, and we think that this is a good challenge for us.
You've got a beautiful pantry inside to select your produce from. You've got 5 minutes. And your time starts now.
We want to cook traditional Fijian ingredients in a modern, healthy style. Cinnamon. Okay, we'll do that.
There's a lot of veggies. Nice. What else do we need? We were like...
Lost choosing what to take. Celery. Don't have that.
Watercress. Well, I'm getting water.
So what should we just run through and get everything?
Everything, yes.
I need mint.
Okay, so the mint you're using it for the salsa. Okay.
Mahi-mahi, ota, cassava, and fresh coconut.
You need to scrape this, huh?
Just make you get a bit more ideas.
Yeah, your ideas just blow out.
We got everything. It's time to go back to our station.
It's time to rock and roll, huh?
Let's go.
I'm Rachel.
I'm Timo, and we are aunt and nephew.
I believe in family bonding. We will bring all we can, but not without the family bond.
Being with family is paradise. Laugh together, cook together.
We are close. He's quiet. He's very...
You are my voice.
Oh, I'm his voice. Okay.
I've been caring for my dad for a year now. He had a kidney failure. Lately, he passed. It's a big thing for me.
Sad.
It's sad. He's now in the hands of Almighty God. He really would love to see what I've been trying to do, because this is for him.
We love to cook.
The food is so unique that we cannot take away the taste from our heads. Food is such a strong thing.
Okay, Timo, this is how you do traditional coconut cutting. Is our fish ready?
Sometimes it's too bossy, but
I hope it doesn't burn.
I can live with that.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah.
My cooking style is to mix the tradition and modern food and try to twist that.
You know, I think we're ready to take the world.
I think we're ready to take on the world.
Thank you. Hey, I would really love to see old Fijian traditional way back into kitchens with healthy ingredients. Okay, is this ready?
Yes, this is
Time
ready.
to feed the family?
Set. I would like to see Fijian take pride of our food. We want to be part of this competition because I want to show my family that I can do something in my life.
There's something within us that makes us buddies. We will dedicate this to Timothy's father for always trying to get us from a level down to a level up.
As a team, we feel ready.
Right, you've got your ingredients. Are you feeling confident?
Yes.
Do you have a plan?
Yes. We're feeling great.
Ready to go.
Ready to go for the next challenge.
So we're looking for balance, nutrition, easy cookery, delicious bula food.
We will come out all guns firing and do everything possible and whatever we have in our knowledge and give everything for Fiji.
Remember, the outcome of today's challenge determines who will represent Fiji in the finals of Pacific Island Food Revolution.
We're ready to do this for our family, for Fiji, and we hope that it'll be us.
You've got 45 minutes.
So ready?
Yes.
You really ready?
Yes.
Yes, we are. All right. Because your time starts now.
Okay. So I'm gonna do this.
This challenge is 50% vegetables, 25% protein, and 25% carbohydrate. I'll start with mbamba, and you'll start with the oto, is it?
Yes.
We want to deliver to the brief this time.
Today we're gonna be making fish. After we cut off this breadfruit for the carbohydrates.
Roro stem and watercress salad.
Buto and yombamba.
We'll boil both of it in a pot.
Okay.
I'll do the Fijian old style. Garlic powder. There we go. We use old Fijian style and putting a little modern into it.
So I'm off with these tomatoes.
Okay.
We've chosen these dishes because it's fast, healthy, and great to serve.
Manas, are you starting with the coconut?
Coconut.
Yeah.
So I'll start with the cassava, bro.
The protein, we're gonna be making mahi-mahi in fresh coconut boo juice and 25% carbo cassava. And then with the 50% green. And we're gonna have the ota and the watercress salsa.
Today is all about timing, huh? Bro, we need to do this before time, huh?
We should deliver this way before time.
Let's go, buddy.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Do we need a lot of this or just a few?
Just a few, because we're plating for two, so...
Okay.
Yeah.
I need to clean the Roro stems. This is hard to do, to cook these Roro stems, but it takes faster than the normal Roro.
It's like a Fiji noodles.
A little crunchy if you cook it right. Since we're not using salt, we'll go with these spices to flavor our Roro stems. We added cinnamon, star, and clover. We're just trying to get rid of salt. To make it flavored, we put spices. With the Roro stems, we need a lot of heat to it so it can take away that itchiness. Normally it happens afterwards when you eat it. So we'll keep it on high. If we are itchy, I don't think the judges will like it very much.
So once you're done with the coconut, just put it in this pot. So the cassava, after this, I'm putting it in.
All right, let's go. Buddy, so I'm gonna get the fish now.
Yes.
We're using mahi-mahi today.
3 pieces? 3 pieces each, yes. 3 pieces would be good, so you can do 2 plates.
All right. Once I'm done with the fish, I'll go with the salsa.
Okay, yeah, you do the salsa.
Yeah.
With mahi-mahi, you cannot overcook the fish, because if you overcook it and then it all starts breaking apart.
All right, so I got 1 big chunk there and 2 small ones. Set, this for you. I blow these judges' mind.
Yeah, bro. The judges should be blown away.
And check. We've got our carbohydrate.
And I'm gonna pop out
Yes,
with the
can you
fish.
go with that?
Because I've marinated with ghee and a bit of pepper. I start putting the fish on the grill. I don't want to overcook the mahi-mahi because it will just fall apart.
Put it up. Oh, it's that side. The other side. The other side, Timo. Do you need to do another fish? Can we do an extra? Do an extra? I am being bossy.
Just give me a sec, please.
We agreed to let Timothy lead and I follow. Okay, garlic here.
This is for the fish. Because we're gonna slice the fish in between.
It's not on, but I felt like I couldn't let go. Wipe your feet, Timo. Okay, waiting for you. Waiting for you.
I couldn't believe it. She took over and Again.
Are you okay? Do you need my help?
I'm checking on my fish.
Because I'm done. I'll wait for you.
No. I love you, Auntie, but today you're making me feel pressured.
There is no fooling around now.
Auntie, we need to work together today, yeah?
Yeah.
%50 of our plate has to be green. We got this, huh?
We got this.
Going green, bro. Going very much green. So, bro, the otter's going in.
You're gonna blanch it quickly, 2 minutes. If you leave the otter for too long, you leave all the nutrients to go away. We want to maintain that. We want that plate to look more greener than more fish.
I'll tell you something, my good doctor. I am hungry. The smells are bringing it on. The boys are taking the otter and the really quintessential Fijian ingredients. But these guys have got big plans for those ingredients. You can see, I don't know exactly where it's going, but I can smell the direction it's going in, and I am impressed.
And I'm expecting a lot from the taste.
Bro, this otter looks fresh, man. Yeah, looks really fresh.
You like it?
I like it, I like it.
Right.
I want that crunch in that otter.
I'm going to shred this bamba, Roro stems. It's the old customary way of cooking Roro stems. Shred it too. If you don't shred it, you'll be counted as a lazy mother.
I like with Racheli and Timo, the taro stem.
The bamba.
Bamba. We call it tamba CC.
Right.
Because you shred the taro stem. Sometimes people use it with milk, sometimes with a bit of lemon, and it's good to go.
It's a very traditional dish, that.
I'm really glad, I'm really happy that Rachel is bringing that out.
These generations just forgotten how to do this. To them, it's too long to do, too long to prepare. But what are we going to do now is to show them it's not that hard. It's quite fast.
15 minutes down, just half an hour to go.
Okay, how is your fish going?
It's going perfectly. We just turning the fish.
Okay. Are we okay? Are you doing fine?
The mahi-mahi is falling apart, and I can't use that fish. I have to come with something new. This is not good.
"15 minutes down, just half an hour to go."
The mahi-mahi is falling apart. I can't use that fish. I have to come with something new.
Are we using this other fish? We picked 2 different kinds of fish. These are the tuna.
I just use this one. I've lost a lot of time trying to cook the fish on the grill. So I'm gonna use the frying pan. I hope that we will be still on time.
How's the salsa coming?
All good?
Good?
Now I'll make the watercress salsa. Cut up a few cucumbers, fresh tomatoes, a little bit of chili.
Make one super killer salsa there. Should have that flavor in it.
Yes.
Huh? Here, bro, put it here, bro.
That's way better.
The game plan is just coming into place, showing the people that fast food can be done.
Yeah.
So what's the dressing today, boss?
Watch me, buddy.
Boo
Watch
juice.
me.
Oh, bro.
Boo juice is the coconut juice, the young coconut.
The green one.
The green one, yeah. I mean, it's healthy for you.
This experiment thing will always take us a long way, eh? Good, good, man.
Fijian foodies.
Foodies.
Yeah.
We're experimenting again today.
We're not
Whatever
scared of this,
we're
right?
not scared of anything.
I got the dressing here.
Yeah.
I got coconut juice.
Okay.
Honey.
And then you got some coriander there. So you're gonna blend the dressing together?
To blend.
Once you have that fish going down, then the salsa
Yeah.
clears everything down again.
And so, you know, you have that explosion in your
Yeah.
mouth. Yeah.
Give it a try. Give it a try.
Bro, this dressing will go on the salsa?
Salsa.
Oh, bro. Hey.
We could probably serve the dressing itself. To the judges.
Too nice. Oh, can you just
Waiting for
Mix
you.
the watercress with honey and mix these two up.
The dressing is just lemon juice. Okay, just a splash. Honey, ginger and garlic. We pound that up together and it's ready to use. We need masala.
A bit more honey.
We have been all over the places and we started to get our rhythm back, beating together. We'll always try and make it up and work together.
Boys, how you doing?
We good?
Yeah?
We good, yeah.
It is smelling amazing.
Thank you.
You've got a serious plan, right?
Yeah, we do.
I'm loving your display. I mean, this is like the chef's table right here. You brought all that with you as well, haven't you?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well,
Great.
final.
Yeah, it's a final. Yeah.
I mean, this is to represent Fiji, so we'll give all our best. Right.
Awesome.
Thank you.
I mean, we got this. We know what the judges are really looking for. And carry the Fiji flag all the way.
So, bro, I'm putting the fish in now.
Set, buddy.
Yeah?
We're making mahi-mahi in boo juice and coconut cream. That's a poaching liquid.
Should have the ginger flavor and coriander flavor in it.
Mommy's flavor. I hate it.
Should be tasty, yeah?
And then
We get the poaching liquid boiling, then
yes,
everything will
and then
come out.
everything goes in.
You know what? I'm going to use the kavika.
You're still experimenting.
Yeah, we're still experimenting, bro. So I'm just going to cut the kavika into half so that we can poach this with the lolo.
Mahi-mahi absorbs the flavor pretty well, and the whole idea between this is to blow the judges away once they start tasting the food.
The fish has to be just right. Yeah. Now we need that flakiness. Not too much. That's why we're using mahi-mahi. You know, it's quality fish.
Set, buddy.
Yeah. The fish should take around about, say, 7 minutes, bro.
Yeah, set.
With mahi-mahi, you should cook it just exact to the time. If it's not in a poaching liquid, it will get dry, but we want it to be intact, and presentation-wise, you want the fish to be whole also.
What's that?
Good. Just blew my mind.
Halfway through the challenge, we know that everything is ready. We know we're hitting the home straight.
doing great.
Yeah?
Yeah, we almost finished.
Are you serious?
Yep.
You're only 25 minutes in. And I see you're doing bamba.
Bamba, yes.
Oh, that's
We're
lovely.
doing bamba.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yes.
And can I ask you, Timothy, what are you cooking the fish in?
It's ghee.
Ghee. I love that you're mixing up the cultures here as well. So I'll leave you to it.
Thank
You've
you.
got a bit to do. Thank you. Good luck.
Cooking the fish, I really need the middle part to be half raw.
Do you need me to put the bamboo in a pot
Yes, in
for
the pot,
you?
please. Thank you, Auntie.
It's to boil your fish. We're ready?
Pop that side. Pop it into the pan with the green coconut water. Bamboo has the sweet part of it.
yes,
Yeah, so it's
okay.
kind of mixed
Oh.
that together. Kind of bring in that flavor. Like salt and sweetness combining together. Once it's cooked, put sliced, put it inside, and then
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm good with that.
Do we need anything else?
I think your fish is the last one before we start plating it.
See if the fish is almost done, bro. I think what we give up. Yeah?
Half hour mark now, we're starting to plate.
Bro, I'm plating the cassava.
Cassava at the bottom and then the otah.
I put the dressing in here.
Okay, the dressing should go really well with that, huh?
All right. Let's go.
Bro, this should be good, huh?
So you align your fish here,
Yes.
and I can come with the salsa the whole place. So
We want our plates to look bright, very greeny in color. So then the poaching liquid just to drizzle it on the top.
Bro, does the plate look good, huh?
yeah, it's all good.
Simple, but looks vibrant.
And especially going with the percentage, eh?
Yes.
That's the thing.
Jose, hold on.
Timo, we need to hurry.
Okay.
The boys is done.
Can plate it.
I think this is ready.
Yeah.
It's ready. It's ready.
All right. Now the magic starts. All the elements are ready. I want the fish to be perfect. Half raw, not too dry. Just to stay that moist. Turns out to be perfect.
Get around the plate.
Please don't break.
We've got your paprika, cinnamon, masala, and your garlic. To have it sliced with spices, garlic, and ginger as a sandwich, that will be a new thing to everybody. Okay, now with my bamba,
Can do your magic.
do you think we have enough greens?
Yeah, we have.
I think we do. I feel relaxed. Happy to finish before time.
Just a bit.
Teams. We're at 30 minutes and you're done.
Yes?
But you know what? We'd like a little fruit salad to go with our meal. You've obviously got the time.
You've got 10 minutes for your extra challenge. A lovely fruit salad.
10 minutes, bro. Let's go, buddy.
My buddy. Fruit salad. Okay. Bananas, some watermelon, pineapple, sauce up.
I'm happy that it's a fruit salad. It's a normal food at home. Watermelon, okay. How do you feel about the new challenge?
He wasn't prepared at the first part, but
But it's great.
Yes.
It's great. I even can close my mind and close my eyes and go ahead with whatever is there.
a traditional fruit salad, just the old-fashioned traditional. So
Okay.
I love challenges. We can do this.
Let's do one very, just not a simple fruit salad. Let's do a fruit salad that they should remember. Huh? Give this fruit salad some nice flavor. Give it that nice texture. Make it.
You know what we're going to do now? This is going to be there.
The bujos dressing that we used for the watercress salsa, we turned it into
A nice,
juice for the fruit salad.
yeah. So we had a little bit of ice in it,
Mango, yeah.
and more mint leaf.
Nice one. Nice one.
Another big experiment again for the fruit salad.
Coming up with this mango.
We got 5 minutes left, bro.
You're good?
We're good.
Okay, now we have enough. What is your secret ingredient for our fruit salad, Timo? Okay, we have mint. Why don't we use watercress?
You're the boss.
There is no green, so we added some.
And just to get a taste of this, Aunt. What do you think?
The watercress Bursts.
It's watery, kind of dissolve all the sweetness.
Yeah. The aroma of watercress in your mouth gives it a unique taste altogether. Tawana kuning.
He needs to get the dressing ready.
How's it taste?
And I need to get the fruits cut.
How are you going, boy? Good, good. We'll use this kavika also.
We used the kavika to give that bit of crunch to that fruit salad, and then shaved off the boo flesh.
But a little bit, eh? So you got 2 shavings. Set?
Yes. So you just put a little bit at the bottom. Set, bro. That's
1
good.
minute, guys. Now or never.
Timo, can you hustle with that? We're done.
Okay, no, we have to plate it.
Okay, plate it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're done. No more challenge, please. Time's short, fast food.
Yeah.
We are proud to finish both challenges. We feel we've done enough. We've given our best.
A 2-course meal, but I think we're still ready for more.
We feel excited, and then let's see what the judges say.
So this is Rajeli Timothy's fish with uto and green salad. Remarkably, they did this in 30 minutes. Already, it's ranking good marks. So they've really done something quite special here. They've sandwiched garlic and ginger and all that good stuff inside the fish.
I've never had tuna done like this.
Absolutely beautiful and perfectly cooked. Isn't that watercress salad fantastic?
Yes. There's mbamba in there.
The mbamba's awesome. They've used totally Fijian ingredients and it just tastes absolutely wonderful.
Yeah.
You know what's interesting? Rajeli does not like using salt. She acknowledges the role that salt has played in some of the health issues in this country. None of us need salt.
All the natural salts that exists within the foods itself, the fish, the breadfruit.
Yeah, they've coaxed them
The
out,
ones
haven't
that
they?
they've brought it out really well.
They've understood the brief.
Yeah. Half, quarter.
Yeah, they've done that. They've nailed it. So this is Rajeli and Timothy's itoke fruit salad.
The fruity Fijian salad.
Could you please say fruity again?
The fruity Fijian salad.
Oh, God, I love that. Let's just get in here, huh? Isn't that great? This is sun-ripened fruit. So every fruit explodes with its own flavor. It's just extraordinary. This is what Fiji offers.
This is healthcare put into a bowl.
That's serious stuff from the good doctor.
Yes, I eat this every day. I do not even have to see the good doctor. This was the extra challenge.
They threw this together in 10 minutes. They understand what the new fast food could be and how to nourish their people. Rajeli and Timothy have proven that they are absolutely worthy of being in this competition. Shamim and Manasseh call themselves the Fijian Foodies.
Yeah, and they deserve that title.
They do deserve that title. This is their ika, which is their fish dish.
You know what it looks like to me, Robert? It's as if the boys went into the jungle and started shaking all these trees and all these fruits and vegetables just went onto the plate.
It does. There's a Garden of Eden element to what you say.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm in paradise and I'm eating paradise food.
Wow, the juice is just fabulous. It's a little bit coconutty. It's got a bit of ginger flavor.
Yeah.
It's quite citrusy.
From the mountains, you have the otter, and from the coastal valleys, you have the watercress. And It's balanced in the juice.
In the juice. The juice just brings it all together, doesn't it? It's because here's this yellow cassava, which is just beloved in Fiji. And what I love about this particular cassava is it softens up when it cooks and it soaks up all the juices that it's sitting in.
A regular Fijian may think, oh, there's less carbohydrate because we love our carbohydrates, you know, we love our staples. But then they put in mango and there's coconut juice and coconut milk. So they've done the half kota really creative.
Yeah, they
in
really
a very
have.
creative way.
This is the boys, once again, putting their magic on a traditional dish. It's not a complicated dish, but it's sophisticated. Fast food does not have to be bad food.
They've just proven.
Yeah.
The boys have just proven. There's no excuse. Hey, my dear chef.
Yes, my dear doctor.
This is Shamim and Manasseh's Hilayali fruit salad. Where I'm from, I would say Silayali. But Manasseh is from a province called Nandronga. And in Nandronga, they pronounce S as H, Hilayali.
And what does it mean?
Different from others.
Right.
They're very proud of where they're rooted in Fiji, and they're about to tell us about it.
That's right. These guys understand crunch and texture and the excitement of eating different flavors, different textures. Some of the fruits are quite sweet and there's some that are a little sour.
Sorry, Robert, I have to meditate on this. No, it's too good. You can tell that they've climbed a lot of kavika trees growing up.
Kavika, or the rose apple. This is one of my favorite fruits, and I rarely see it in a fruit salad.
Not many of us now eat this fruit, but it's one of the yummiest.
It is. Also, you see the jus? It's green. So this is mint. They've even put greens into the fruit salad. This was a throwaway dish too because they had 5 minutes to pull this together. The amount of thought in this, these are boys who are able to think on their feet. It's second nature to them. We've had incredible food today with different approaches. Red jelly and Timor, they brought that tradition right onto the plate. The boys, Shamim and Manasseh, you can tell they just love cooking, they think about it, and they are really good at just plain doing it. It's second nature to them.
Yeah. Half quarter. They nailed it.
Yeah, they did. Well, hopefully the next generation will get to eat this food and live this way.
I hope so.
Yeah. We've got to choose a winner out of these two teams. You need a team to take to the finals.
This is like a Fiji rugby team trials, and you just don't know who to pick to represent Fiji.
Well, it's only tough because you've got two good choices.
Yes.
This is it, to find out who is the winning team. We don't want to go home yet.
We would like to be the team to represent Fiji. That's what we came here for. We really want to know what's the result and what's their feedback.
You can see my heart right now.
Wow. Four remarkable Fijian cooks of passion, pride, and that amazing kaifiti spirit.
How inspiring it was to watch you working today. Having cooks of your caliber competing to represent Fiji, I'm in awe of you all.
You delivered on the brief. Fast, healthy meals, 25% protein, 25% carbohydrate, and 50% vegetables. I can't believe you managed to nail the challenge and do an additional one, all within 45 minutes. Amazing.
Shamim and Manasseh, Fijian Foodies. You've really earned that title. Your dish spoke to us of your great friendship and childhood memories of village life. It's easy to see that you are very proud of your roots.
Despite the fact that you're both very experienced, you made delicious dishes that anyone at home could make. I just love that you reversioned a Fijian classic, Ika Vakalolo, and you gave it your own magical touch.
Racheli and Timothy, you really got a big wow from me. I love that you coaxed up all the natural flavors in the food. You really showed that we can eat well without using much salt.
I love that you cooked bamba, something that's so quintessentially Fijian, reworked in a new way. And I love the way you packed that pocket of flavor into the fish, manakoro.
Everyone's dishes were excellent, and I'm really inspired by you all. It makes me very happy to have you join me in our mission to incorporate healthy food in our everyday lives. This is our revolution. We walk this path together.
Whatever happens today, good or bad, whatever the outcome, we'll take on this revolution and spread the good word out to the people of Fiji.
As impossible as you made it, we have picked a winner. Shamima Manasa, Racheli and Timothy. The team going forward to the finals are Shamima Manasa.
Unbelievable, eh?
Unbelievable. I mean, speechless. We feel relieved, huh?
Yeah.
You know, I can feel like pushing my heart back inside and saying, you know, we've done it.
Racheli, I grew up in Fiji, and to me you represent everything I love about Fiji. That's from my heart.
Thank you.
Timothy, you are facing the future. And with someone like Racheli guiding you, man, the sky's the limit for you.
Racheli and Timothy, it's been such a pleasure meeting you both.
Thank you.
Naka.
And I know for sure this is just the beginning of bigger revolutions here in Fiji, led by you. And I'm so looking forward to that. Yunaka Bakale.
The experience has been amazing. We're proud. We're very proud of what we have achieved. Yeah. We always are close, but this just bond us.
It's just the beginning for the both of us.
Right. Okay, I'm back.
I feel like I've grown. I've learned so many things. It's a huge step closer to my dream of being a professional chef.
Timothy is gonna be the best leader in the future, and to his own self. Becoming a star. We have become stars. Fijian stars.
What she says.
My good doctor, you've got a couple of awesome food warriors in your revolution now.
You know what, Robert? These other islanders had better come in with everything they've got.
Yes.
Because my Fijian warriors, they own these jungles. And they are ready to rumble.
Representing Fiji, it's a big thing.
We're lifting the Fiji flag now.
Yeah, and
but there's a lot of challenges coming.
Yeah, a lot more hard work, and we're competing against the best. Coming from Samoa, Tonga, and Vanuatu, so those guys are bringing theirs, and we have to come up with the best. The Fijian foodies are coming. Toro mai.